Hey friends, if the Windows Update service is missing from your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let me open the services for you. Then, so if the Windows Update service is missing on your Windows, then what can you do? This is a very important service of your Windows. So if this is missing, then you'll face trouble with your Windows. So here's what we can do in order to fix this. So first is in click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on system. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and you will find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So once you are in a Windows Update troubleshooter, it will ask you for the problem that you are facing. It will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends in order for you to fix the issue or problem that you are facing. Now, once you have performed the Windows Update Troubleshooter, still in the settings window, on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Make sure that your Windows is up to date by clicking on this button, check for updates. So this will download and install the latest update for your Windows. So once done, simply close this. Then we are going to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type here CMD. Best match command prompt. In the right pane, click on run as administrator. Here we are going to type some commands in order to fix the issue. So just follow me for the command. Type here DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up hyphen image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup hyphen or dash image space forward slash restore health and hit on enter. Now, this process will really take some time. Once this starts off from 1% and goes up to 100%. So we are just going to wait for this until this is completed so that we can run the next command. So the process is beginning now. So we just have to wait for this. So let's just minimize this for now and then bring up another command prompt. Type here cmd. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then type here sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit on enter. So this process will also take some time. So we just need to wait for this too. Once this is done, just type exit, hit enter, and then bring up the another command prompt. And then once this is done to just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, then the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.